What's up, guys? Vic Vengeance here. Today we're going to be doing a DIY install. I'm going to be upgrading my shift boot and shift knob. So it has all this glue on it because the previous person who installed it didn't take this off, and instead of taking it off, they glued my old shift boot onto that, which is not the proper way to do it. And I had to upgrade it because this shit was all fucked up and ugly and looked all torn up. But it lasted like 3 years, so not bad, you know. So I went ahead and got another one by In Focus. And I will show you guys how to do this. So the tools I'm going to be using are these flathead screwdrivers and a crosshead or Phillips, whatever you want to call it. Let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and take the shift knob off. So if you have your OEM one, that one's a lot tighter than these ones. So you're gonna have to use like a plastic wrench to take it off without damaging any of the leather or plastic components of that shift knob. Easy. Then there's this plastic right here. That comes off easy too. Just pull it off. The whole console needs to come out. Easily put it down here. Down here, out. Down. You see? Easy. Then you have one connection in the back. Cables. So just go ahead and pop that out. There you go. At the bottom of this you have a screw that needs to come out. This one. Now this stands alone, out of the way. Now you have the actual shift boot. So this literally has these little plastic pieces, these little round ones, that you kind of have to break them off. And I mean, it's pretty easy. You just kind of stick your flathead under between the bottom part of the plastic and the top part. Take your flathead and just twist it off. Okay? Now you'll be left with this. So just pull these out. Should be able to come off easily. Yep. Look at that. It's just put into these holes. Like that. That's the proper way to take it off. So now you're left with the frame and the part that goes under that's going to hold the new shift boot. So this is the new one that's going to be going on there. The snow camo. Because I already have one made, I just got to match the size so that it fits there perfectly. So you do have to customize the shift boot. Well, depending on which one you get. So this one I have to customize it. Got to cut off, you know, all this excess and put it onto the frame. So I went ahead and installed the new shift boot on the shift boot holder. I had to modify the boot a little bit because it was kind of hard to put on. So I went ahead and cut them into little squares like this. I did that all around. I already cut off, you know, the excess. These ones I just fold inside. But I cut these into little squares so I have more play to put them into little slots. And I also went ahead and cut little holes on the shift boot so I could fit the tabs in there. You know, and then once you do all that, it'll fit right in, and voila, this is the end product. So let's go ahead and put it back together. Don't forget that with this, there's the cable back here that you gotta connect. You gotta put this back on here. Two tabs in the front, gotta match them up. And then there's a screw down here in the bottom that you gotta put back on as well. And then you put it back in the middle. there. Now this one is a little tricky. You gotta first push it up so that it stays lined up. There you go, like that. And then you push it down into the shifter. And push this down for the new shifter. Well, the new shift knob. Here's the new shift knob I got. Hope you guys like it. It's like a nice little long one. Get a good grip on it every time you shift, especially if you're racing. You know, you don't want to lose that grip. Go ahead, pop that in. And pops right in there. Look at that. Easy peasy. Huh? Now if you're racing, you're like, oh, yeah, yeah, right? Perfect shift knob. I'm kidding. This is not the shift knob. I borrowed this from my little brother. This is the shift knob. A little blurry. It's okay. And so with this, they gave me a little nut to put on here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that on first. So basically it's just to see how far up or how far down you want to put the shift knob. So let's try it right here. Put that on there. Not bad. The height is pretty good. Yeah, doesn't get in the way of anything. Look at that. And it's got to sink in the little shift boot. It looks nice. Plastic back on. There you go. Voila! It is done. There you go. Look at that. That is the finished product. So it doesn't sit up too high. And this is actually one of the bigger shift knobs. So they come a little bit smaller, but this is one of the larger ones. And yeah, so this is a finished product. So I hope you guys like it. I don't post often on YouTube anymore, but feel free to hit that like and subscribe button. And I will be doing more interior installs in the near future. I bought a few more things that I want to put in here, and I figure I might as well do some DIY videos for you guys to watch. Thumbs up, drop a comment if you want, and hit that subscribe button. So I'll see you guys next time. Peace.